So tap on channel we say waje wo na Ghana teachers aje wo John Mahama asum and NDC government eso. Obo chirem say baby akoduro no teachers in Ghana they need respect. In fact, they demand respect from the government. Aban no entimi frustrate omo sa, aban ntimi emo treat omo sa, omo abeka omo akonsem. Dem an chire mu no akire wadwen amame. E wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah block media. Meso ase ani di mu. Obe like video no other post subscribe button snap back click notification icon for latest updates. Na be chire wadwen di amame e wo comment section. Meso baso a. No share for anya bi ashe. You know, teachers from where mobile power Ghana had them all. And NDC government have a big Mahama and the leadership. Teachers from where mobile power. Only me na we. Omusu and omusu eh. Omuma we school, I service. Oh, motive yourself for more juma posting MI. Omusu for more juma. Akatua MI. Just say teachers from where mobile ma. Teacher you anko anya kono bi mo Ghana ha no. Enye omunko mu ne nursing for no. Juma no kura enya kono bi. Ejwa anya kono bi. Emma even kwan eno me hu say nurses for no etisi montrance eye demonstration Emma eno kura na eye nsempii.
Ye de be kan ye bu kutudwi apomocho de ya kwakwa gin titiye ache ye pomocho wa ya wo fi ache o ebi ye 2024 ebi ye 2021 ye bro ye be ko be bi aje ya wo fu ya o ma me fi ko fo bi na ba he me ma me na e ma bibi kaka e hye me ho ma be de ba he enti aka me ma me nya bia ma me aka me de bia me be ma ivi call credit kra me de be ye call ka je me ka hye me ma bibia me bia je me bo me ma me amaje na ye nnuano mo mbai omo kwa ko pe adwuma kra ya aje mpanifo di bi ene ombe aje me no wada before ma mo wa adwuma amowaye ya wo fie koma de ya che o kom ade ya che adwuma ye afrika de ya kwa ko che ni na ka yiwi mpo afi ya ko no abo aka no akọ bibia afi mo mba ya ko parliament bibia afi mo mba ba bibia ehu hie bia ebeku bia ya ko bibia afi mo mba we de pomocho o mampani Mahama o de ka che wa be ya manti ya pa chowa o de ma ya juma anye
hweme na se me unu abe ma na se unhu social me womi na se ye wo fe a de koso but this is just a beginning. We will come again. We will demonstrate until they post us because there was 2022 badge omutifie and this badge no enye referral badge nko ye nkofo a omo no wie school with the 2020 main badge a omo no ye adwuma afini omo ye adwuma o 2020 main badge mo chete mu nchire wo 2020 no emo chemienu ye wo main badge second badge ko be ne buy na chemu mienu oh enti abaye badge ka chem say badge ne bi da so e bi esra omo ye sra abaye ne say oye di fa ma ye on kwasi da ye kakra abaye si okay o ye nya bochire ye ko hu ayi July ene ko kasa say part consideration o say o ye tu ye mo number extension e ba so dia o me consider yin o ma extension no e fi fie hwe me nyini o mi nyini hwe me tim nyina adwi me giba me nyini so time ben biem a healthy youth builds a country a weak youth me say mo person jam back France me do 40 45 na me tim nya hwem sie me ya on am say pray man na me ko ye den pacho when I am young see I can't even know my left from right because the possibility me be make up I don't even know what I'm doing with my life because every day they give us stories. I want my clear directives. There's no clear directives about our posting. Every day and different agenda and different story. There is no clear directives. So that's it. Why would you say your clear directives are? How will you know such?
How does it? Na insane be. Na him say teacher for juma last year no. O my demonstration ensu go aban na so say o maketua. Emai aban ni timya hu bibi ema wo mu. Ema me no ga say kra no. Almost no mo ya adwuma dada aye ye tio mu ka bosumi bia no November ne mo na ye wo allowances bia aketua ne ba ye de ka homa wo mu sala wa no Mahama entua NDC government entua sala wa no e ma na almost kra no e ka o ma concept na nim say de ama wo mu aketua no e de bibia na se empese beba ne bibia de nim se sika eni hono oman no eni sika but oman ni sika so a ya tam you know Omani nisika, but their terms is $10 million. Akoto jet. Mahama them. On Trump to quite. Hey, very good. Mahama Trump to Kanga crack your lumai. On Chedekakra. On Chanabra Swabakakra. On Tremu. Ever for real more yalingu yaso and chedingu yaso. Aye, on the Muyasun Yankao. Yago Tamano. ama ɛno akwan sa ba say, you know, Ghana the year 2025, you know, Bank of Ghana injected 10 billion US dollars into the forex market, no, into the economy, just to stabilize dollar. You injected $10 billion just to stabilize dollar. But you just can't your nurses, you just can't your teachers for, you just can't earn more money no hombra. And no, and I call media say, teacher for them say Debbie, it's about time one. They need respect from the government because baby I never can call it there. And you fair.
Yeah, I have been a teacher before. My child there more than 15 years before I traveled. Now, Ghana, Kemako say the Ghanaian politician, the parent, the civil society will be a teacher. Teacher is the last person to be respected in the community, in the society, in our country. Now, share resource buyer, send ye obey trouble teachers. The Ghanaian teacher needs some respect. Now, government has given rights to the students. Intiene teacher ni u school mo chirade akolaye bonekro na usuru kra se obetrene no. Usuru se sakola be punish no. We ya ubenya media aban agencies GES maba takola na chi ni egu ni mase poto. Se bi teacher ni okupe bibia be dio. Eti se bibi koso sana no kana no atum. Those of us one na yeva hwe ho no na etimi correct omo. But that teacher na ye pam na bibi ani fie no. Obeden, obehwe fie. No just for musuko. Now government the right and the child has the right to do this, child has the right to do that, the child has the right to do this, right to do that, right to do this. And a net and klana be bosom esiskumo. Ye the natural government bia from Rollins days ABC textbooks meson class school mu da. I know say be mo be political, but me I started my school under John Rollins. Me kaipa me English na me pay reading. But class 3 English book na me pay reading pa no. Na any pa be 6 na e dey back. Enti textbooks meson school mu da. Enye na asem. Sa na tede da nyina. Textbooks meson da. Ye any free wa. Ye hwe Wesley girls issue. Ye the religion raise school na akola ne right ni. And also unity man unity. And also obe bompaye man bompaye. Also unko prep obe like in se hunu sa sebi. No, but enkola no be perform badly a na de sobona so a. Sebi teacher ne nimo henti. Oni kama for na da koso no. Na obi a twefo na no atwa teachers. Obi a twefo ma no di teacher for atem. Forget to say, yena as politicians, yena as government, yena as the society. Yama nkulano, yama wonso, na teacher for from in the school. And the akulati mika teacher ni say, one is a ban say teacher need to mean you say, in an attempt to correct the child. And teacher ni biya ko school ma, so, children adi biya no kopen baby atra. But results by then we tend to blame the teacher. Teacher some of us, you see, we have been saying this for years. Say it has become a bonnet. So because of which idea Ghana. Say you probably dry a case study a Ghana. Ye probably a Ghanaian teacher. Ghanaian teacher nkwana na lawansa afimu ojina once edru a yetim kase entua nasa hana edru so to forcing teacher for alawansa ma nana ko fato de bai we tua afi we nkwa de edru mu nkwam so a ade mo gino October no mututu sheda teacher ni epe sabi Christmas asoin wa pepi bia manema mo de ye mo investment mo nya ho profit wi a na mo bi tua ma teachers nya be bi tua mo ka Ghanaian teachers ni amodi Ghanaian teachers FM no nyame betwa moka na moka mu no say election bia ekoso Ghana no the Ghanaian teacher is an integral part of it. Campaign no mo gira platforms ye dede o mo gira platforms na mo ye dede but wono ye campaign pa no the silent minority am now for me no the teachers catch them one call am catch them parents omo ma kasa mo so beto aba no o kasa kire wo obutie omo ese mo parents no it is some office and them teachers are mo nkoso by the time is coming ya hwe ya ye nya teachers organ ho obi asabi oye brilliant bia no ene on person be teacher ni adentia they have no respect. Some of us keep saying this and me and an example make sure they feel be brave no me hu na metima chi bi na bia be say everybody in classroom today wants to travel. Everybody
and I say me hwe ba bia NDC for the oman na ekona na me yem sise me na 3 years akawo His Excellency John Mahama enim no na ayeme be 200 years. She say aban wa be ka tele Ghana for ejumayefo say oman ni niska enti aketuantum no otum 9% na ode momo na aban obeto light any insumo a wa increasing into 25%. Enti ejumayeni no obesi nde na watua saa utility bills no eno ne aban papa aba no hwe se ye nuanom teacher for ne nurses oma ye ejuma be 12 months ni aban ni niska aban ne se oniska odi betua omoka but aban ne enya $60.68 million say or the koto private jets just say ono no odwene ono aban ne ho sene timamini no ye nuanom kitwa yi ebi mo bosia na mko boye e na mo ko rent dan up till now omo awofo na ehwe omo na omusika kakra na aban fama omo na omo fe bi ntwitwa omo ho no aban wosi wuniska ensu wanya over 693,488,308 Ghana cedis what they call private jets what they no call private jet say wo dwene wo ho no senate mamini no eno ne aban papa aba no enti me hwe omo aya omo advocate say President Mahama ensanko another for another term na me bisa me say it is sanko for no sebe Ghana for mo fanchemi o omo nda sunne so ana omo ni baby a Ghana ekọ ana ena mo san so say President Mahama ensanko another term hwe baby a NDC for the oman na ekọ ebi mo so mo say President Mahama ensanko another term sa enipa na amokasa no sebe munda sumnie so munni baby a omode oman na eko hwe education system by 1 year hwe result a APA hwe result a APA hwe nkwala omo faili because abane se oniska obetua first year fee no di amankwala no eno ne aban papa abano na me say 3 years eda enim ohu ebe wa ma hen papa
kire wa adwema me e wo comment section hi Penyah Brock Media aka